Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Verina Diani from Class B 2018. I would like to present to you a research and the title is Can Plagiarism Detected by Software Be Prevented Through Education? An Experimental Study with Preschool Teachers Candidate. So for the introduction, in this study, the effect of science and research ethic course on preschool teachers candidate possible plagiarism behavior was examined according to the finding of the study. It was seen that the science and research ethic courses could have an effect on possible plagiarism behavior of teachers candidate. And for the research question, first, is there a significant difference between the scores obtained from the plagiarism or similarity software of the assignment prepared by preschool teachers candidate before and after science and research ethics education? And the second one is, do the context of assignment prepared by preschool teachers candidate before and after science and research ethics education differ in terms of plagiarism? So the method that the researchers use is the study examines the plagiarism behavior of preschool teachers candidate in their academic writing tasks. And as you can see in table 1, the symbolic representation of experimental design. First, you can see group preschool teachers candidate and pretest homework that deals with Paget's cognitive development theory. And the process 12 weeks science and research ethics courses, and the post test homework that deals with Bandura social cognitive. So for the study group consisted of students who choose science and research ethics as an elective course at Alanaya Aladdin K. Kubat University in preschool education program of education faculty during 2018 until 2019 academic years. And for the data collection instruments in this study, it was investigate whether science and research ethics course has an effect on teachers' candidate plagiarism behavior. The method of testing their level of compliance with the ethical principle was via an academic writing work or assignment. So for this purpose, each teacher's candidate was asked to prepare a short homework or pretest about Paget's cognitive development theory. Similarly, at the end of the experimental process, they were asked to prepare a short assignment or post-test about Bandura social cognitive learning theory. And you can read the content of the science and research ethic, also the experimental process. And the last one is data analysis. The data obtained from the preschool teachers candidate were analyzed both quantitatively and qualitatively. But today, I would like to show you just the qualitatively research. Okay, as you can see, qualitative findings. Document analysis of preschool teachers candidate assignments before and after the experimental process was performed. As the software programs calculate, there was only one participant remaining under 13% of the pretest similarity ratio. And you can see the translation below is from Turkish to English regarding the first paragraph of TG9 taken as a pretest homework calculated by the second software. And the last one is conclusion. In conclusion, it can be said that scientific research and ethic-based courses given to teachers candidates might be effective in reducing their plagiarism behavior. And plagiarism software program cannot evaluate book chapters, and these that are not included in their database. This makes it difficult to detect plagiarism and ethical violation. From this point of view, the fact that the university and related publishers upload their works within the legal agreement, for example, copyrights, to the database of similarity detection program might be significant contribution. The existence of such a technology is valuable to prevent possible ethical violation.